Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Since the Halloween update just dropped yesterday, I'll be making a video on the best tips for grinding the new currency, candies, quickly. These tips will help you complete the battle pass and get more candies to unbox a lot of boxes. But before we start, I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and left a like. Anyway, let's start the video now. Go to the game and scroll down to servers. Scroll down and change the number of players by clicking on descending and changing it to ascending. Keep scrolling again. Don't join one immediately because it will quickly fill up. Only 3 players, that's good. Once you load into the game, ask to farm, or if it's a farming server already. Also ignore the fit I have, and I got lazy to change it, and it's basically like my Halloween costume here since it fits the theme. Anyway, he said yes, so now it's time to grind. To get coins faster while being murder, equip haste or sprint. They both cost 3,000 coins in the shop, each. I prefer haste, but let me explain the difference between haste and sprint first. Haste makes you 10% faster for the whole round. Meanwhile, sprint makes you 50% faster, but it has a cooldown, which is like around 20 seconds or something. The reason why I prefer haste is because even though you're only 10% faster, you are still fast and it lasts for the whole round. And sprint does not last for the whole round. It gives you a long cooldown. Alright, so which are the best maps to collect candy? Especially quickly? For small servers, that would be the smaller maps, such as Mansion 2, Workplace, and other small maps. Honestly, I just realized that it's much faster to grind coins in smaller maps compared to big maps. But if you're in a big server, then vote big maps like Vampire's Castle, Factory, Millbase, etc. You will have a lot more room to get candies, and the murder probably won't kill you as quickly compared to small maps. Ooh, I just joined and already got murder. I usually just collect candy before I kill. The downside to this is running out of time, so you need to collect quickly. Are you kidding me? This just PMO so bad because the person who flinged me was using exploits to farm. Let's pretend what happened in the last clip never happened. So my last tip is to buy Elite. This tip is optional because it costs 500 Robux. But in my opinion, I think it's worth it. Instead of getting only 40 candies each round due to the limit, you get 50 instead. It may not seem a lot, but trust me, it makes a difference. You also get other perks like more XP, an Elite name tag, a radio skin, a pet, a knife, and an effect. I think I bought it around 3 years ago. I love having Elite. Anyway, those were all the tips I had. Hope you guys found it helpful because these tips always help me with events. Thanks for watching the video. I would appreciate a subscribe and a like. And if you guys have any video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. Bye everyone.